Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. So let's start on it now. So what can easily cause, guys, radio not to turn on Dodge Ram? We're going to demonstrate on this generation here, guys. So let's go ahead. First we need to check a couple of fuses, then we'll explain what else can cause it. We need to open the hood, and here, guys, under the hood on the driver's side, this is your car battery. In front of it is your main fuse box. Open that cover by pressing these two tabs. It will open, and on the inside you will find the main engine fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we guys continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. Guys, it's very important to always test your fuses and relays. Why? Sometimes you may think you have a good fuse, guys. It's hard to tell. Look at those fuses, right? And sometimes, okay, you pull the fuse. Okay, I'm going to get the fuse puller and I'm going to remove one fuse. I want to show you on that 20 amp fuse. Sometimes it's very unclear if that fuse is burned or not. You may not clearly see it. So always, guys, test them, because if you don't test the fuse, you assume it's good. You end up spending money, time and diagnostics for problems that do not exist, guys. So you can just waste your money and time. Always test your fuses, always test relays. We will put links in the description of the video below where you can find, guys, a video for testing a fuse and testing a relay that will explain everything that you need to do. If you guys need to buy any parts, tools for your Dodge Ram, fuses, relays at a really good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time, we're going to put a link in the description of the video below for your convenience. Please check it out. So here, guys, what you need to check. Let's zoom in. Please, guys, make sure you stay until the end. We want to share one good advice with you, that way you don't end up being stuck in the middle of nowhere like it happened to us. Here you need to check fuse number 71. This is the sound amplifier fuse. If it's blown, your radio may not turn on as well. Now, guys, none of the radio fuses are in that fuse box. The main radio fuse, okay, is actually, if you come behind the car battery here, behind the car battery and the brake booster on the back side, here in the lower side, you're going to find one little cover. Once you open it, you will find one 20 amp fuse. That's where the main radio fuse, guys, is hidden. It's right there for any of you looking for it. Now, this is a radio unit. Now, sometimes some models may have an extra fuse in the back. This one specifically that we had, it doesn't, so we don't need to worry about that one. But if the radio doesn't turn on, you check the fuses, pull the fuses out, guys, for at least 1 to 2 minutes, let the system reset, see if it will restart again. If not, you may need to remove the radio itself, physically disconnect the wires, let it sit 10 minutes, see if it's going to turn on. If it doesn't turn on, it could be, guys, a bad radio unit that can easily cause that as well. Those will be the first things that we're going to check if radio does not turn on Dodge Ram. So, guys, you have all kinds of different fuses and relays. Some of those are very specific, they're hard to find, especially if you're in a small town or in the middle of nowhere. One time we needed a replacement, we couldn't find one, and we were stuck in the middle of nowhere for a few days until we got a shipment on the internet, guys. So keep some spares in your glove box for peace of mind. Hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.